My name is Hariyar Mohorkar. I am junior college biology teacher in Yeshwandash in the junior college Bhadravati. Dear students, today we will learn pregnancy. It is also known as gestation. Pregnancy or gestation is the condition of carrying one or more embryos in the uterus. It refers to the period between fertilization of egg up to parturition. Conception. The average period of pregnancy in human lasts for 266 days from fertilization or 280 days counted from last menstrual cycle. Here pregnancy can be confirmed by pregnancy test kit. Some women or girls show early sign of pregnancy, miscarriage, increased body temperature, regular urination, indigestion, tiredness, tender breast, and food desire. This pregnancy period of about 9 months is divided into 3 trimesters of 3 months each. First trimester is the time of most radical changes in the mother and embryo. Here radical means fast and transforming. The embryo receives nutrients in the first 2 to 4 weeks directly from the endometrium of uterus because placenta is not still developed. It is the main period of organogenesis and development of body organs. By the end of 8 weeks, about 2 months, major structures found in the adult are formed in the embryo in a rudimentary form. The embryo now is called fetus. The fetus is about 3 centimeters long. Arms, hands, fingers, feet, toes are formed. Fetus can open and close mouth and feast. Central nervous system is fully formed. Working of exterior and cerebral system begins. Movement of fetus begin but mother cannot feel it. Heartbeat can be heard from 6th week. At the end of first trimester, fetus is about 7 to 10 centimeters long. Mother's morning sickness. Meanwhile, the mother's body also undergoes rapid changes. High level of progesterone initiate changes in her reproductive system. The maternal part of placenta grows. The uterus becomes larger. In this period, the mother experiences morning sickness. The morning sickness includes symptoms like nausea, vomiting, mood swings. The second trimester is the period of rapid growth of fetus. The uterus grows enough for the pregnancy to become obvious. The fetus is very active and grows to about 30 centimeters. Development of brain begins. However, hormone levels stabilize as human chorionic gonadotropin means HCG declines. The corpus luteum of ovary deteriorates or regresses and the placenta completely takes over the production of progesterone which maintain the pregnancy. The ultrasound or sonography at 18 to 20 week become shows baby's growth and position. From this, estimated due date of delivery can be established. Baby's movement can be easily felt by the mother. These fetal movements are called quickening. Head has hair, eyebrows and eyelashes appear. Pinna are distinct. Baby reaches half the size of newborn. The fetus grows to about 3 to 4 kg in the weight and 50 centimeters in length. Eyes are open. There is a gain in body weight. As the fetus grows, uterus expands around it. The mother's abdominal organ become compressed and displaced, leading to frequent urination, digestion blockage, and strain in the back muscles. At the end of third trimester, the fetus becomes fully developed and ready for parturition.